How to fix Google Pay verification failed? To fix Google Pay verification failed error, first of all, you have to make sure your registered phone number's SIM card is inserted into the phone and is also active. Make sure to keep the bank registered SIM card in slot 1 if using a dual SIM phone. And also ensure your phone plan has active SMS balance to send a verification text. And also try disabling Wi-Fi temporarily to force the application to verify via mobile data networks. Then go to your phone settings and grant the Google Pay permissions to read and send SMS. And what you can also do is lastly try clearing the cache of the application. Open your device's app gallery, then locate the Google Pay application, long press it, then access the app info panel, head to the storage option, then proceed to clear the cache to remove all the corrupted files. And once you relaunch the application itself, your process won't be interrupted. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.